Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to go over some tips and tricks on the Coolpad Defiant. The first one is a really important tweak you always want to make when you first purchase any Android phone. You're going to go to your settings, and I have a little shortcut right here. So we're going to tap on settings, and we're going to go down to display. And then where it says sleep, tap here. And we're going to change that to at least 2 minutes, or if you want up to 5 minutes. That way your screen won't go to sleep so quickly without you touching the screen. So if you just leave the phone like this and you don't touch the screen, it'll have to wait 2 minutes before the screen goes dim. Just as an FYI. So that's our first little tip right there. The second one is going to be when you swipe down here, you'll have your notification switches here, and the little tweak is how do we rearrange these so you can put the important switches that you use the most. So I look at these and I say, oh, these are cool, but you know, I'd like to have different ones up here. So what you're gonna do is tap on this little down arrow right here, and then we're gonna hit this little pencil right here. That's an edit button. It's going to allow us to change the order. So I do want Wi-Fi up there, but I want my flashlight to be up there as well. So, sorry, let me move up just a little bit here. I'm going to hold the flashlight, and then I'm going to drag it right over here. So now every time I swipe down, I will see my flashlight. And to me, this is a really important little tweak to make, because you know, if you walk into your house and it's dark, you know, if I take out my phone and I hit the power button and swipe down, my flashlight's always going to be in the first spot. So that's why I really like to rearrange these to the things I use the most. I then like to put my GPS or location somewhere up at the top as well, because I use that one a lot. So these are the 5 that I usually make the first couple switches. So flashlight, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location, and battery. And now when we go back, you'll see when I swipe down the first time, those are the first 5 you'll see in the order. You actually get 6. So let's go ahead and add one more, and I'll make that last one. So you can do cellular data if you don't have unlimited data and you like to kind of keep an eye on your data. Sometimes you turn it off to save battery or whatever. You can do that one. I would do my hotspot just because I use that a lot, so it'd be really easy to just swipe down and have that right there. Now, swipe down again. Now I have all my favorite and most important switches right when I swipe down. So that's our next little tweak right there. Customizing the phone to the specific things you use the most to just make your life a little bit easier. All right. So our next tip is going to be how to change the wallpaper and really customize the phone to you. So we're going to hold down on the home screen, and we're going to go to wallpaper. And so this is the stock wallpaper, but it does come with some other really nice ones as well. In fact, let's see, this one I like a lot. So we would just tap that and give it a second to update, and then hit set wallpaper right here. And I'm going to do for both. And that's it. And now I have a new wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen. So now that's how you use one of the stock wallpapers. Now I'm going to show you how to take your own picture and make that picture the wallpaper as well, because some of you guys like to have family or friends as your wallpaper, so I want to show you how to do that real quick. So hit the camera button. I'm just going to take a picture of this surface. Okay. And then we're going to go back to the home screen. We're going to hold down, go back to wallpaper. This time select my photos, and then I can use the picture I just took. So we're going to go to images, camera, tap on that picture, and I can make this blurry picture, my wallpaper, if I wanted to. I'm not gonna do it, but all you would have to do is just hit set wallpaper right at the top here, and then it would change that to your wallpaper. So that's how you take a picture and make that the wallpaper. And you can also like take a picture that someone has sent you, like a text message. Maybe someone texted you a picture, you could download it, and then you could follow this same step, or you could take a picture off of Facebook or Instagram the same way. You just go to my pictures or my photos, and then you would tap it and hit set as wallpaper. So that's our little tip there. Our next one is going to be how to get a Wi-Fi hotspot widget. It's a little shortcut you can use to just put the hotspot right on your home screen to make it easier to get to it. So obviously you do have to have a plan for your phone that does have hotspot. If you don't have that, then this won't work for you. But for those of you that do use hotspot, you will find this tip beneficial. You're gonna hold down the home screen, go to widgets, and we're just gonna swipe down until we get to here, mobile hotspot settings. We're gonna hold down on this and drag it right to the home screen. And now you have this little shortcut button right here. This is gonna be your hotspot widget. So if you ever wanna turn on your hotspot so you can tether your internet to a laptop or a tablet, all you have to do is just tap that and it's gonna automatically turn on your hotspot. Now I don't have hotspot on this phone, so it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. And it's telling you it's activated, blah, blah, blah. But all you have to do is just tap that button and it automatically turns it on. You don't have to go to the settings and hit anything. So it's just a faster way to access your hotspot. And then you just tap it again. It lights up when it's on and it goes gray when it's off. So FYI there. And our final tip is just gonna be a little tweak we're gonna make to the phone to speed it up, because the phone can run a little slow depending on what you're doing. So we're gonna go to the settings. We're gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on About Phone. And then you're gonna look for build number and you're gonna tap here until you see this, you are now a developer. So when you tap the build number for about 10 times, it unlocks your developer options, which is here. And now we can make some tweaks to the phone to make it run a little bit faster. So we'll go all the way down until we get to the window animation scale. Tap on that, we're gonna go to 0.5, and then go to your transition animation scale, tap there, 0.5, and then your animator duration, 0.5. And now you'll notice that the phone should move just a hair quicker, all right? And that's it, guys. I hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2TechVideos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.